Chuck Aubrey here with Attorney Bill Risner for Audit AZ, and we are here in the wake of a morning spent in court, a morning and an afternoon, deciding whether or not Oro Valley will allow a referendum to proceed against the sale of Sheraton El Conquistador. Now, what are the basic issues that it's coming down to? Is this citizens versus I guess what you'd say technicalities?
Well, I suppose the thing that no one can dispute is historically referendum and initiative and recall were the most important parts of the Arizona Constitution in terms of political debate prior to the Constitutional Convention. It's the only part of the Constitution that's self-executing. It has details. And it's part of the Constitution that says the people have all of our power, and we give some of it to the government for legislation, but we retain the power for referendum and initiatives. So the legislature can't interfere with that. They can't make little rules that have no purpose. They can pass rules that have a purpose to assist and help in referenda. So, they'll have rules that you have to have a certain kind of type where people can read it, so this thing's understandable, so they know this, so they know that. What these guys are saying is that there's a little number that is unimportant that has a clerical function. The clerk says, so she knows which box to put the referendum in. And if you get the wrong number on that, she says that destroys your entire right to referendum. And that's simply contrary to the entire structure of Arizona government. And it's contrary to law. And so that's the whole point. What you're seeing is that both the legislature, when it comes up with rules, and little town councils are in fact controlled by real estate and other economic interests that don't like that people might object to something that government's doing. So they create little rules and little traps to see if they can catch people on them. And we think this trap is too little and too insignificant and is in the clerical range. That's basically it.
What are you hoping to demonstrate for Judge Aragon to get him to rule on your side? What is the basis of your argument?
My argument is that he's there to support the Constitution for the people and not permit towns or other governments, legislatures to defeat the power of the people for referendum.
So this is really a case of the will of the people versus technicalities.
Exactly. And the law is clear that he needs to support the people. The Constitution supports us. We wrote it.
Let's hope he agrees. Chuck Aubrey for Audit AZ.